How to build a passive income stream from cloud mining. Cloud mining is the process of mining cryptocurrency without the direct use of mining equipment or hardware. In traditional crypto mining, cryptocurrency is produced through a computational process. Miners need to solve complex mathematical problems using mining hardware to be rewarded with coins. The process of cloud mining is similar, but instead of using their own resources, miners rent or buy resources from a service provider. As more players entered the cryptocurrency scene, mining became more complex, requiring more computing power. In cloud mining, third-party providers rent out computing power to miners. Cloud mining also removes the need for miners to maintain and update their own equipment. How it works is that the service provider buys or builds a mining rig and then rents out the hashing power to miners. In most cases, the service provider will also offer a mining as a service solution, which allows miners to outsource the management of their mining equipment. As for the mining process itself, it's pretty similar to how cryptocurrency mining works. It's important to choose the right model for your needs before getting started with cloud mining. Hashing power leasing is a popular model for cryptocurrency cloud mining. With this model, you lease a certain amount of hashing power from a cloud mining provider, so you can mine cryptocurrencies. The mining provider provides rented cloud computing power from a mining farm, which means you also don't have to worry about the upkeep of mining equipment. All you need to do is pay for the hashing power you want to lease, and you can start mining. A miner has to register for an account with a cloud mining provider and provide certain details during sign-up. These include details such as the hashing power needed, as well as their desired contract period. It's important to choose the right amount of hashing power, as this will determine how much you'll be paying for the service. The hash rate is the speed at which a miner can complete this function. This means you'll need to pay more for a higher hash rate. However, a higher hash rate also means you'll be able to mine more cryptocurrencies. The contract period is the length of time for which you want to lease hashing power. With hosted mining, miners rent physical equipment from a cloud mining provider. Since the cloud mining hardware will be located in your home or office, you'll need a good internet connection. One of the advantages of this model is that you don't have to worry about the cost of maintaining the mining equipment. You'll also have to shoulder the electricity costs when using this model. However, many hosted mining providers offer discounts if you opt for a longer contract. In addition, the replacement of old equipment won't be at the cost of the miner. Many miners go this route because they want better control of their mining rigs without needing to spend thousands of dollars on brand new equipment. Additionally, you can typically reinvest your earnings into the cloud mining service to increase your hashing power or lease more resources. Cloud mining may be a good option if you are looking for a way to build a passive income stream from cryptocurrency mining. Just be sure to research and understand the costs involved in cloud mining before getting started. Those who want to mine Bitcoin for passive income, for example, can use a platform like Stormgain to do so. Stormgain is a good example of a cloud mining service that allows miners to earn passive income by mining Bitcoin. Ecos is another trusted cloud mining provider. Ecos also has a wallet and exchange, so interested miners only need to sign up for an account and download the Ecos mobile app to start mining. There are several advantages of cloud mining that make it an attractive option for miners. All you need is an internet connection, a computer and a good understanding of the cryptocurrency you wish to mine. You can start small. You can start with a small investment and gradually reinvest your earnings to increase your hashing power. Sense of security, through contracts. When you lease hashing power, you typically sign a contract. This means the provider is legally obligated to give you the agreed upon amount of hashing power. Risk of scams. There have been some scams associated with cloud mining, so ensure you only invest in reputable services. Crypto volatility. Cryptocurrency prices are volatile, and cloud mining may not always be profitable. Limited control. When you lease resources from a cloud mining provider, you don't have complete control over the operation. How to start crypto cloud mining. If you've decided that cloud mining is right for you, there are a few things you'll need to get started. A computer with an internet connection. You'll need a computer or other device with an internet connection to access your cloud mining account. An account with a cloud mining service. You'll need to create an account with a reputable cloud mining service provider. A crypto wallet. You'll need a cryptocurrency wallet to store your mined coins.